What we have here coming up is a truck off in the media. It looks like his tire on his trailer came off. What we have here is a turned over trailer that they're transferring the load to a truck. And coming up, I thought this was just construction, but actually, a flatbed's load hit the trailer and knocked it off the trailer, as you see. When we get up here to the top, and I make a left turn and then turn back to get back on the interstate, if you look over to the left, they're loading some kind of tank back up on the flatbed. You look to the left right here, you can see there's the tank they're putting back on the flatbed, and there's the truck. And all the way down through here, there's debris from that tank. There's some right there. I got a pylon next to this one right up here. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share if you would, please.